Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to remove duplicates in Google Sheets. Let's begin. First of all, open your Google spreadsheet. Then select cells. You find duplicate. Select go to Data tab. Data cleanup drop down menu. Remove duplicates. Remove duplicates. Data has header row. Then remove duplicates. 3 duplicate rows found and remove. 8 unique row remain. That's it. Now we can see this remove duplicate. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.